Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy, and I am so pleased to have you here today. If you are into health, fitness, and yoga related videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which is several times a week. So today's session together will be a good full body stretch, daily flexibility routine that you can do every day. And it'll just help to maintain and cultivate the flexibility in your body, the elasticity in the muscles. Just to get started, we won't need any props, and we'll go ahead and meet in a child's pose. Just opening up the knees. Allow the hands to come forward, a little bit of movement side to side. Allowing the forehead to ground down. From here, we're going to inhale, press ourselves up. Exhale, walk hand over to the right, left hand over the right. Exhale to bow. Breathing into the side body. Inhale to lift. Exhale, let's walk hand over to the left, right hand over the left. Exhale to bow. Once again, breathing into the side body. Let's inhale, lift, exhale back through center, and let's let ourselves come forward. From here, forehead on the mat. We're going to bend our elbows, take the palms together, and just lift the fingertips up towards the sky. Just getting a little bit into our shoulders. You can play around with the positioning of the fingertips, so pointing them up towards the sky, then maybe towards the middle of the back, kind of switching in between the two, noticing where the stretch is for your body, noticing where you're experiencing it deeper. Good, let's go ahead, press our hands down, let's roll ourselves back, hands and knees. Inhale to drop the belly, lift the crown of the head, lift the tailbone. Exhale, press the ground away, round through the spine. Two more like that, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Good. From here, we're going to inhale back to that cow position. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward dog. You can play around here, a little bit of bending and lengthening through the heels, shooting one and the other down towards the mat. Let's inhale, reach our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, big step in between the palms. Let's slide the back leg back, settle the back knee. From here, we can just stay where we are. We can walk ourselves up onto the top of our thigh, roll the shoulders down and back. Try to allow for a little bit of affirming through the outer hips so that we stay squared off, but enough softness so that our hips can descend towards the earth. If we'd like to, we can inhale, lift the arms, look up. Exhale, let's take the hands down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee. Let's go ahead, step the back foot back, downward dog. Inhale, left leg reaches up and back. Exhale, big step in between the palms. Settle the back knee down. We can stay where we are, or we can walk ourselves up to that thigh, rolling the shoulders down and back. Once again, a little bit of firming through the outer hips, but not so much so that we're really lifted. Just enough so that we're squaring off, but we still have enough release to descend the hips. As we're ready, let's inhale, sweep the arms up if we'd like to. Exhale, set the hands down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, shoot the front foot to the back. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Inhale, right leg reaches up and back. Exhale, slide the shin so it's in right behind our wrists. Setting up for pigeon. As we're here, let's start by drawing our right hip back, left hip forward. See if we can float. A little bit of engagement. One more inhale. As we exhale, we'll descend. Maybe to our forearms, maybe all the way down. Choose what works for your body, what suits your needs for today. Good. We'll go ahead and lift ourselves up. So we're going to stay here, but we're actually going to lean onto our right hip and then sweep our left leg around, stacking our feet for double pigeon. Now, if you're like me, this double pigeon is a lifelong journey, have not achieved it yet. We're not going to bow though, so if we can create the shape without any pain in the knees, then go ahead and do so. If this is way too intense and not accessible, we're going to drop the left foot in front of the right knee, so coming into more of a Sukhasana shape. Doesn't really matter which one we're doing, they're both going to work into the outer hips, just the same. So if we can manage to sit in this double pigeon, we will go ahead and do so. Let's inhale, open up the arms. Exhale, left arm underneath the right. We can give ourselves a hug. We can wrap our arms, maybe come into our full eagle. And from here, we're just going to take some bends side to side. So exhale to bend. Inhale to neutral. Exhale to bend. Inhale to neutral. We can continue with these bends. We can invite some circles into the elbows, both directions. We can even lift, maybe look up. Good. We'll go ahead and release. Release the legs. We're going to step back to downward dog. So however you want to get there. Good. Other side. Inhale, left leg reaches up. Exhale, draw the shin behind the wrists, setting up for our single pigeon. Good. So from here, drawing the left knee back, right knee forward. We're going to inhale, see if we can find some flight, some lift. One more inhale. As we exhale, we'll descend. Notice as you release the strength through the hips, usually they descend as well. It's good to bring a little bit of strength into our practice, even if we're trying to build some flexibility. Because with yoga, as with stretching, we're working with opposing muscle groups. So if one muscle group is strong, the opposing muscle group is flexible, and vice versa. So we want to play around with strengthening what is weak and giving a little bit of flexibility to what's strong. Good. From here, we're just going to come back up. Sit onto your left hip, slide your right leg forward, stacking for double pigeon. Double pigeon, or that Sukhasana variation. So we'll just let our right heel come in front of the left knee. Inhale to open across the wingspan. Exhale, our right hand comes underneath the left, single or double bind, or even just hugging ourselves, does not matter. Inhale to find a lift. Exhale to bend. Inhale to lift, exhale to bend. You can play around here, going to either side. We can take some circles through our elbows, both directions. We can even lift our heart, lift our elbows, look up. Good, and when we're ready, we'll just release. Inhale, exhale. Let's make our way back, downward dog. Good. From here, we're going to step one of our feet forward, just spiral to the long edge of the mat, wide-legged forward fold. We'll finish up here. Inhale to a halfway lift. Left hand comes into the center. Inhale, reach the right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, take the hand down. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, down. Inhale, twist. Exhale, down. Inhale, twist. Exhale, down. One more time each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. We're going to just go ahead Come forward, find a little bit of a stretch here through the spine. So walk the hands so that the spine can really lengthen out, almost like a wide-legged downward dog. And just a little bit of pulsing of the chest down. Good. We're going to come down onto our knees, and we'll just slide our way all the way to our backs. Pull the knees into the chest. Give yourself a nice squeeze. Maybe a little bit of rocking side to side. Let's come into a twist, opening up the arms into a T. Inhale. Exhale, let's let both of the legs fall over to the right. Maybe the gaze goes over the left fingertips. Good. Inhaling back through center. And exhaling to the other side. We'll inhale back through center. Squeeze those knees into the chest. Give yourself a little bit of a massage through the back body by rocking up and down. Excellent. We'll end in a seated position, and that will conclude our practice together. So let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Once again, thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.